The Oracle Dual Boiler offers complete control with brew customization in manual mode, empowering those who want to take a hands-on approach to craft each cup to their exact preferences. This can be set as your default on startup. However, if it's in auto mode, simply swipe up on the HD touchscreen. You also have the option of accessing the default mode in the settings menu. On the left-hand side of the screen, the grind size can be adjusted by tapping the grind size icon and tapping to decrease or increase the setting. You can also switch your grind settings from volume-based to time-based grinding. To do this, press and hold the grind icon to display the options. Here, you can choose from auto or time. When time is selected, press the time displayed below the grind size and use the decrease or increase setting. To customize brew temperature and shot size, press and hold the center brew icon to display the options. Here, you can adjust the brew temperature by tapping the plus or minus buttons. For shot size adjustment, you can select from single, double, or manual shot, which you can also save as a custom setting. If you'd like to create a custom shot, firstly select M from manual shot size. Press the brew icon to start pre-infusion. Then, if you want to introduce the optional blooming phase, long hold the M button. Otherwise, press once to start brewing, and once more to stop. You can then save your custom shot for future use, which will save in the shot size selection screen. You can also adjust the water volume by touching and holding the water icon, which allows you to adjust in increments of 25 ml. Manual mode lets you choose between auto milk, where you can adjust microfoam and temperature on screen, or full manual control. Before you begin texturing, double-tap the milk icon to purge the steam wand, which will automatically stop after 3 seconds. Pull the wand out completely so that it clicks into place, engaging manual mode. Tap the M icon to begin texturing. The screen will display the temperature of the milk as it heats. As a guide, if using dairy, it's suggested not to go over 70 degrees, as this will burn the milk. If using dairy alternatives, these require lower temperatures, so adjust this accordingly to your own preferences. Tap the M icon to stop texturing and remove the milk jug. Wipe the wand tip with a clean, damp cloth. Then, lower the wand to a downward position to activate automatic purging.